lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. So today I want to make kaklo, which you go fit pair with the bean stew I make. So if you don't watch my bean stew, please after this video go watch them, cause the bean stew is popping like something. So you take the bean stew, pair them with the kaklo where I won't make today. Now it go be what I be you Bob. Yep. So as I always say, no long choke biao, it be chill. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah, so I have all my ingredients here. You don't need much. I have my overripe plantain, which is not looking inviting at all, but don't mind the body, mind the engine. Okay. Yeah, I think mine is not even overripe. If you like nice looking kaklo, you need overripe one. Yeah. And I have my self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of it, but I'm not using all. And then I have salt to taste and scotch bonnet, half of it, and 2 thumbs of ginger and my small size onion. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grind the onion, ginger and the pepper together and then add the plantain to it. So to make it easier, I've diced all of it. But I think it will be helpful if you have food processor. That will help a lot. But don't use blender, because I know all blenders requires water and this recipe doesn't need water in it. So if you have food processor, you can use it, but don't blend it. Unless your blender doesn't require water, then it's fine, you can use it. Yeah, so I'm going to add my plantain to it. Mash it. I think I will use my knife to cut it. That will make it easier for me. But if you have strong hands, go for it. Yeah, so this will make it easier for me. Yeah, so I'm going to add a bit of salt to taste to it. The salt and the pepper, it depends on your preference, how you like your pepper and salt. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour to it and mix it very well. Yeah, as I'm saying, the pepper and the salt depends on you. Yeah, so I'm going to fry it. As you can see, my oil is piping hot. So I'm just scooping it and then fry it. Yeah, so if you see the bottom is getting golden in color, turn it so that you get evenly cooked kaklo, and it will prevent it from burning. Yeah, it's looking very nice. Yeah, my kaklo is done, so I'm going to remove it and place it on paper towel so that it will remove all the excess oil left in it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss my new uploads. I hope this is helpful and thank you so much for watching. Till next time, peace.